Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change the Amazon account on an Echo Show. This is useful if you're selling the device, giving it away, or simply want to link it to a different Amazon account. An Echo Show can only be linked to one Amazon account at a time, so to switch accounts, you first need to remove the existing account. One of the easiest ways to do this is through the Amazon website. First, open a web browser on your computer or phone and sign in to the Amazon account that's currently linked to the Echo Show. Once you're signed in, open the menu and go to Content and Devices. From there, select Devices to see a list of Amazon devices connected to your account. Find your Echo Show in the list and select it. Then click on Deregister. This will remove the Echo Show from your Amazon account. After the device is deregistered, it will no longer be linked to the old account. The next time you turn on the Echo Show and connect it to Wi-Fi, it will prompt you to sign in and set it up with a new Amazon account. Follow the on-screen setup instructions, sign in with the new account, and complete the setup process. And that's how you change the Amazon account on an Echo Show. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.